Yes, for all masters, good evening and Atma Pranamalu, Atma Namaskaralu. So, as we know, meditation is nothing but so we have to sit in a comfortable position, then observe the breath. Um, the actual meaning of meditation is just we have to observe the breath. Along with the breath, we have to see that there will be emptiness of the mind. There will be no thoughts, whether it may be the positive thoughts or negative thoughts. No thoughts should be there. The aim of the meditation is to keep our mind empty. So I want to share this knowledge with you, masters. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So today's topic is acupressure points. So first topic is memory. So if you see the meaning of the memory, memory is nothing but for storage of the information. So what we have learned previous day or at the present moment time. So what are the things we have learned that we have to keep in our mind in the storage purpose, and we have to recall whenever it's necessary. So that is the memory meaning. So if you see the types of the memory, there are mainly two types of the memories. So one is long-term memory, then another one is short-term memory. So for example, education purpose or regarding meditation topics, the things what we have learned, that is recall. So again and again we are recall. It may last for the longer duration, longer period. That is called long-term memory. Then another one is short-term memory. So we may remember some things for shorter period. So for example, if we will go to the picnic or a movie, so only that 2 or 3 days we may remember, then we may forgotten. That will come under the short-term memory. So there are times, sometimes we may forget the memory. So because of the lack of sleep or more tiredness, more fatigue, some stress, then negative emotions because of the anger, all those things, we may sometimes, there may be chances to forget the memory. So to improve our memory or to concentrate, so we have the acupressure points in our body. So I will tell what are the memory points. So between the upper lip and the nose, here I will show. So here, this is the nose, no? This is the upper lip. This center point, here is the one memory point. So we have to just apply the pressure. Then we have to remove. For a 2 seconds or 3 seconds, we have to apply the pressure. Then we have to remove. Then another one is between the center point of the eyebrows. So here 2 eyebrows are there, no? Middle point. So here we have to apply the mild pressure. So to improve the memory or concentration. So these are 2 points. So shall I explain once again? Shall I repeat? So one is between the upper lip and the nose. We have to apply the pressure to enhance our memory. Then another one is midpoint of the eyebrows, 2 eyebrows. So, sir, please share the that pictures, sir. Memory point.
Share it in the chat, madam. It is shared in the chat box.
Okay, okay. So so what are the benefits of acupressure points or memory point means, which may help for improving the concentration. So mainly it may helpful for this children before going to the examination. If you would practice these memory points, acupressure points, no, they may easily remember the things. So next topic. So common cold and cough, the acupressure points. So I think everybody is exposed to per year 2 or 3 times with the common cold. So this infection is usually caused by the virus, so not the bacteria. So if you go, whenever we are suffer with the common cold, if we go to the hospital, they may prescribe the antibiotics, but the antibiotics may not help to reduce the this common cold infection. Why? Because this infection is caused by the virus. So for reduction of the infection, we have to just improve the our immunity power of the body. So there is no drug for the reducing the common cold. So if you see the symptoms of the common cold and cough, running nose will be there, then mild cough will be there, then sore throat. So some burning sensation over the throat. Then there may be some problems in the swallowing of the food or drinking of the fluids, taking of the fluids. That is nothing but sore throat. And sometimes the individual is to suffer with the fever whenever he is suffering with the common cold. So for this, we have to enhance or improve our immune system. So there are 2 points to activate acupressure points to enhance our immunity of the body. So first one is the immunity. How to improve the immunity means, so by applying, these are the fingers, no? So tips of the finger, you have to apply the pressure. All 5 fingers you can use. So here like this, apply the pressure. Then apply the pressure. Fingertips. Here like that. So this applying the pressure over the fingertips may help to improve our immunity. Whenever the immunity improves our body, automatically the cold will be reduced. Then another one is, as I said, sore throat is there. So how to decrease the sore throat? So here, middle finger is the middle finger. So base of the nail, here nail is there. Base of the nail of the middle finger, we have to apply the pressure. So I will explain once again. So to reduce the sore throat among the individuals, so where we have to apply the pressure means, so back of this palm, no, middle finger, this base of the nail of the middle finger, we have to apply the pressure means, so that may help to reduce the sore throat of the individual. Okay. So, can you please share the picture?
Yeah, madam.
Yeah. So that first picture, no, they are showing the immunity points, fingertips, common cold and sinus points. The acupressure points, fingertips may help to improve the immunity of the individual. So ultimately, that helps for reduction of the cold. Then throat points is there. Illustration 18 finger below picture showing that base of the nail of the middle finger helps to reduce the sore throat among the individuals. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for sharing the pictures.